Today we build a custom roof rack for our car. A few weeks ago, Bob on Iliketomakestuff made a custom roof rack. We will put a link to his video in the description. This is such a great idea that we had to build one as well. Around here you can get a roof rack for free, as long as you don't care about the car model. We had one from our old car, so the main task was to design a mounting mechanism. Bob used flat steel that he bent in shape. He only had some scrap square tubing left, which is great as it comes already pre-bent. We started by cutting 3 pieces on the metal cutting bandsaw. If you don't have a bandsaw, an angle grinder will work as well. We then used a caliper to mark a line around 12 mm away from the edge. With a cutoff wheel on the angle grinder, we carefully score the steel along the marked line. From one part of tubing, we cut 4 pieces, and from 2 more parts, we are cutting 2 pieces. With these 8 pieces, we have all the parts we need to mount the roof rack. We clean the edges of the parts on the belt sander and also adjust the fit of the pieces that way. If you don't have a belt sander, a sanding disc on the angle grinder will work as well. With the mounting hardware done, we remove the mounting hardware from the old roof rack, but we keep the nuts and screws that held the old hardware in place. We mark a hole location in the lower third of the larger and the smaller part. The shorter side of the larger part gets a hole location marked in the center of this side. First, we drill all the holes with a 6 mm bit. A drop of oil and a sharp drill bit make quick work of these holes. The 2 holes in the sides are then enlarged to 10 mm and slightly chamfered. That's it. The only thing left to do is to protect the steel. As we don't have a powder coating setup, some good old paint will have to do the job. After the paint is dry, we use M8 machine screws with 2 washers and a nut to connect the 2 steel pieces. The old screws connect the mounting plates with the roof rack. After putting it in place, we tighten these screws so that the width of the mounts is adjusted to fit the car. We can then slide the 2 bars in position and tighten the M8 screws to clamp it in place. To test it, we got some particle board from the home center. We are very happy with the roof rack as it is easy to remove and to install. It saved us a bunch of money and was a nice little project. If you liked this video, also check out some of our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with new videos and follow us on Instagram for a look at future projects.